If you think about running with that, then you in trouble. Ooh, fresh out the bed.